welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw this really cute Easter Bunny head shaped basket. The first step is to draw a really big, wide U shape. Next, we're going to draw the bunny's ears. Leave a little bit of space between the top of the U and draw a curved line coming down towards the corner of the paper. Do this on both sides. Now we're going to curve the bottom of the ear back up towards the head. To draw the inside shape of the bunny's ear, start at the top of the U and draw another rounded shape coming outwards, a little smaller than the ear. To draw the top of the basket, connect both ears at the top. The line can be a little bit curved. Now we're going to move on to the handle of the basket. First, we'll draw a little bow. In the middle top, draw a circle. And a rounded shape on each side that's a little bigger. Draw a sideways V on both of these shapes coming out from the circle. Then draw the ends of the ribbon by drawing two really long W shapes. Now we'll draw the actual handle. Draw a curved line coming from the bow down to the ear. Draw two curved lines on each side. If there is a little open space above your bow, draw a little connecting line behind it. Draw some curved diagonal lines going up the handle. Next, we're going to move on to the face. For the nose, draw a rounded triangle with the point pointing down. Draw two big curved lines coming from the center of the nose down and then out, going in both directions. For the eyes, draw a circle with a smaller circle inside. The smaller circle will be a highlight. Fill in the rest of the bigger circle with black. Do this for both eyes. Next, we're going to add the whiskers. Under the eye and on each side of the nose, draw three lines coming outwards. Now it's time to fill the basket. I'm going to start with some of these little grass fillings. Draw some zigzag and triangles and pointed lines. Behind these lines, we're going to fill the basket with eggs. You can draw as many eggs as you want. The eggs are rounded on both sides and are a little bit skinnier at the top. Add whatever kinds of decorations you want to the eggs. This is a really fun part. When you're finished drawing, it's time to add color. Be creative and have fun with this step. If you want to take your drawing one step farther, you can add a fun background.